Hello guys and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to be taking a poster design and giving it a retro grungy feel. Okay, that retro grungy feel that retro poster designs usually have. We're going to give our poster design that feel, that detailing using the opacity masks which we've learned in the past video. So all you need to do right now is come and click open and land on your projects folder where you see grunge vectors, this EPS file. Just click on it and open. Okay, so these are the files we are going to be using to generate our masks. Remember I mentioned that we can generate our masks using either objects or images. In the last video we used images, and I think we used one object also, that's a squared shape, and we give it a gradient, right? Yeah, so we can actually use objects. Now these are examples of compound objects because they consist of a lot of vector shapes coming together as one. Okay, so they are a compound shape. So just come to file and place, and then come and select this retro poster here. So all you now need to do is just place your retro poster, and then we are going to now apply the effect. So select this guy. Okay, and one thing you have to understand with these retro files or these kinds of files, this kind of vector grunge files, is that they consist of a lot of shapes. If I hit A here or select my direct selection tool, you'll be able to see that we have thousands of anchor points. Okay, we have thousands of them. That's to show you that the work is very detailed. Okay, there's a lot of detailing, and these are vectors. Okay, these are not pixels, these are vectors. So that's to tell you that there is weight in this. Okay, that's why your system might kind of drag while doing this. So just duplicate this guy, hold on Alt and drag it to the left, drag it on the poster. Okay, perfect. So the next thing I'll do is I'll select my poster, arrange and send to back. Okay, and I'll kind of adjust my poster, maybe adjust the size like this. Okay, and then yeah, maybe adjust it again like this. Yeah, and perfect. The next thing I will do is I'm going to create this shape and send it to the back, arrange and send to the back. I'm just going to hit I for my eyedropper tool and select this color here, and kind of just make my background fits a bit more with the poster. So what next do I need to do? What I need to do is select the guy here, okay, and select the poster design, and then go to my transparency panel and make mask. And it didn't work out well. This is not what we want, so we're just going to release and try to fix the problem here. So the problem is that our mask image here, or our mask shape here, is black. Okay, it's gray rather. We don't want it to be gray, of course, because darker colors conceal, right? Darker colors conceal. So we don't want this color, we just want it to be white actually. So I forgot to change the color here, so just come and change the color, and then select our image, that's our poster. Okay, and finally make mask. Now we see that we have now achieved our retro design, our retro feel. Okay, and I want us to do one last thing. Just come here and drag this other guy to the poster that's holding down shift. Okay, and I'm just going to fit it on our design like this and kind of zoom in to arrange it. Okay, so I'm just going to scale it up like this. We can see that it's taking a toll on my computer. Okay, and I'm just going to kind of drag it down like this. Okay, Next thing, I'm going to select the both of them like this and just arrange and send to back so that they all appear behind our main design, right? So finally, I'm just going to select this other one, and I'm not going to create a mask with it. All I will just do is give it a color. Okay, so I'll just zoom in, use my eyedropper tool and sample one of these colors here, and then I'm just going to go back to my selection tool and zoom out. Now we can see that we have been able to achieve this retro feel. Okay, and I kind of like what we have so far. I feel like actually changing this color, maybe making it a little bit darker. Okay, maybe just hit I and try to sample this one, and then go back to your selection tool. And what I want to then do is make this color a bit brighter than what we have here, what we have now. So just brighten it up a bit, and okay. Okay, so I feel like making it look even brighter, so I'm just going to select it and try to make it look even brighter. Okay, sorry, let me make sure I am selecting it. Okay, and then try to make it look even brighter. So I'm just going to zoom out, and yeah, I like what we have so far. So what I would then do is select my whole design and come to edit and copy. And what I want to do is I want to create a new file and paste our design there, okay, so that I can kind of scale it up, because right now it's on a very little size. So come here and I can now close this file and no, don't save. And now I can just Ctrl V to paste our design. Just scale up our design. So scale up our design gradually. Okay, it might take some time because of course they are vectors and we're dealing with a lot of things here. So they might take some time to scale up, but you can eventually scale up the design. And then finally, I think I will just use my artboard tool and just kind of fit the artboard to my design. Now we can zoom out and our design is done. So just come to file and export as. So come here, we can save it as retro poster done. Okay, and yeah, now we can save it. Where is our file? Yeah, our file should be here. So now when I click and open, we then see that this is what we were able to create. This is the original, this is the one we came up with. Okay, so that's how you create the retro grungy feel on your designs. And with this, we've come to the end of our lecture. See you in the next one. Hey, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. We post new videos every week covering topics in the fields of graphic design and illustration, motion graphics and video, branding, and more. If you want to support us and get access to exclusive benefits such as the project files we use in our classes, a live chat with us, shoutouts, and more, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. You can join for as little as $3 a month, and the link to our Patreon page is in the description below. And if you want to take your learning to the next level, you can check out the complete course, of which this episode is a part of. And in the complete course, you get access to more than 10 hours of video lessons, project files and resources, class exercises, a Q&A section, a certificate of completion, and more. You can get the course for a special discount by using the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.